Every file you build in Holistics remembers every version it has ever been, and any one of them you can bring back in seconds. Just that file, nothing else touched. That's the file level restore. Let me show you. So here's the dashboard one of us changed, and it's just not right anymore. First thing I will do is to pull up its history. I'll right click the file and hit the file history. And there it is. Every single change that's ever happened to this one file, all in one place. I can see who touched it, when, and why, because the commit message is stick right next to each one. So instead of guessing, I can actually find the moment it went sideways. Let me open one of these up. Right away, I can see exactly what changed in this version, highlighted right here. What got updated, what got pulled out. So basically, there's no guessing about what this change actually did to the dashboard. Now, sometimes the change isn't only this one file. See this one? It touched something else too. So before I do anything, I want a full picture, and I can get it. I click here, see all the changes in this commit, and it drops me right into the project's history at the exact point. So I can see everything that moved together. Hey, say I have found the version I want. Before I apply it to my dashboard, I would actually like to see it for real. So I can basically duplicate this version to a new file. Duplicate. And it spins up a fresh copy of that old version inside. And my current dashboard stays exactly as it is. Nothing changed yet. Now I can open it up and make sure it's really the one I want. And there it is. It is exactly the version I had in mind. The theme is back to what we wanted. The blocks are the right side. Everything is sitting where it should be. So now I know for sure this is the one. And once I'm sure, I just hit restore. It pulls that version back into my file. Since we are on the git flow here, so nothing gets committed automatically. It comes in as an uncommitted chain, which means I get the last look before I commit myself. And here's the part that actually matters. Only this file moved. Everything my teammates had me working on in other files is completely untouched. And that's the real value of file level restore. Every file you build keeps its own full history. So you can always see how it's changed and roll back to the exact one you want, one file at a time. Nothing you make is ever locked in. You can experiment, change your mind, and undo every single file at the moment you need to, knowing the rest of your project stays exactly where it is.